Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make poached eggs well done. First, gather your ingredients: fresh, cold eggs, a deep pot, and a splash of vinegar. Ensure your pot has at least 3 inches of water. The vinegar helps the egg whites set quickly, creating a neat shape. This initial setup is crucial for achieving a perfectly firm poached egg. Next, bring your water to a gentle simmer, avoiding a vigorous boil that can break the eggs. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl. This makes it easier to slide them into the water without splashing. Carefully lower each egg into the simmering water. Do not overcrowd the pot, as this can lower the water temperature and affect cooking. To achieve a well-done poached egg, cook them for 4 to 5 minutes. This extended cooking time ensures the yolk is firm, not runny. It's important to maintain a consistent, gentle simmer throughout the entire cooking process. Once cooked to your desired firmness, carefully remove the eggs from the water using a slotted spoon, allowing excess water to drain. Finally, season your well-done poached eggs immediately with salt and pepper to enhance their flavor. They are delicious served on a piece of crispy toast, alongside avocado, or with a fresh bed of greens. For more kitchen hacks and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly firm poached eggs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.